Welcome back to Blooming English Evening. I'm Sam. Today, we turn phrases into tools you can speak. Keep the rules. Breathe. Don't translate. Short, clear lines. Calm landings. Vocabulary. Deep dive. 3 targets. Off the cuff. Play it by ear. Overthinking. We'll cover meaning, sound shape, and real use. Echo after me, then make each line yours. 1 off the cuff, meaning to speak or act without preparation. Use it for quick updates, hallway Q&A, casual meetings. Avoid it in formal pitches, legal or medical contexts, or when real prep is needed. Sound map off. The light, cuff. Echo. A short update. Off the cuff. He answered. Off the cuff. I can share first thoughts. Off the cuff. Mini drills for off the cuff. No slides today, I'll speak. Off the cuff for 2 minutes. If anything is unclear, I'll follow up after my off the cuff answer. I can give a 1-minute summary. Off the cuff. Coaching. Keep the light. Only off. And cuff. Carry weight. Land the line on cuff. To play it by ear. Meaning stay flexible. Decide as things happen. Great for social plans. Light agendas. Small talk flow. Sound map play. It by ghost. Ear. Echo. Let's play it by ear. If it's busy, we'll play it by ear. After dinner, we'll play it by ear. Tip after don't worry. Add a half-beat pause. Then deliver. We'll play it by ear. 3. Overthinking. Meaning thinking too much in a way that blocks action. Reset with 3 steps. Name it. Choose. 1 step. Move. Sound map overthinking. Clean the TH. Land light. Echo. I'm overthinking this. We lost time. Overthinking. This is overthinking. I'll keep it simple. Borrowable lines. Plug and play. Off the cuff. I can give a quick, off the cuff update. Here are my first thoughts. Off the cuff. I'll keep it brief. And off the cuff. Play it by ear. Let's meet first and play it by ear. We'll check the crowd and play it by ear. We have a start time. We'll play it by ear after. Overthinking. I'm overthinking. I'll say it simply. This is overthinking. 2 sentences are enough. I'm overthinking details. I'll move now. Sound and rhythm rehearsals. Final word landing. Guests arrive in 1 hour. Snacks are enough? No. Big meal needed. Reassurance plus solution. Don't worry, we'll play it by ear. It's okay, I'll speak. Off the cuff. I was stuck. I'm overthinking, so I'll keep it short. Blinkers. So, because, and, if guests in an hour. So, snacks are enough. It's a short visit. Because, it's casual. A snack plate is quick, and it looks friendly. If it's dull, we'll say we already have plans. Listen and answer you first, then model. True called with the news. Mom. When are the guests coming? In 1 hour. What's the food plan? A snack plate, crackers, cheese, fruit. Which phrase means decide later, play it by ear? Which phrase means without prep, off the cuff? What habit blocked action? Overthinking. How did they split tasks? Jake tidied, Lisa prepared. Small talk topics, work, and recent trips. What did they call their approach? Teamwork. Polite exit if it gets dull. We already have plans. Personalization loop. Make it yours. Off the cuff. Choose. 1. I didn't prepare. Slides, but I can share 3 key points. Off the cuff. Here's my 1-minute outline. Off the cuff. Play it by ear. Choose 1. Let's meet at 6 p.m. and play it by ear after. If traffic is heavy, we'll play it by ear. Overthinking. Choose 1. I'm overthinking. The opener 2 sentences only. This is overthinking. I'll send the short version. Action cue. Record all 3 lines. Play them back. Ask 1 heavy word. Clean. Landing. Calm. Breath. 1-minute consolidation. Say these out loud. Off the cuff is for quick speech, without prep. I lift play and land ear in play it by ear. I land the line on the last important word. I name overthinking, then choose 1 step. Small talk flows when I start with work or trips. Teamwork divides tasks, lowers pressure. Cool down, inhale 4, hold 2, exhale 6. Whisper clarity over speed. Say naturally slow, clear, with stress. Preview Part 3. Guided shadowing, slow echo, natural flow, real-time mix. End of Part 2.